Hello, welcome to my channel, and I will show you how to use split screen on your Samsung A72. So, how to split screen? Simply you have to choose which application you want to use on split screen and open it. For example, I will use YouTube. Okay, and now you have to go to recent application menu and click on this icon above YouTube screen. Okay, now you have to choose open in split screen view, so click on it, and as you see, the application now is shown in upper part of the screen. Now you have to choose from down part which application you want to use in lower part of the screen. For example, I will choose some newspaper. Okay, and here it is. In the lower part of the screen is newspaper, and on the upper part of the screen is YouTube. If you want to use only one of those two applications, then take this blue line, and for example, if you want to use YouTube, just pull this blue line down and you will see only YouTube on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like it, share it, and of course leave me the comment in the comment section below. It means a lot to me.